Greetings everyone, Brett here with Hammerhead Model Making, back with another 5-minute review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 1 to 350th scale Hobby Boss USS Virginia. Now this is going to be a short review because there is not a lot in this kit, which is kind of to be expected from these more modern 350th scale submarine kits. But if you're not familiar with the ship, this is kind of the modern attack sub from the of the U.S. Navy. And as such, it has many more modern features than you would find on like an older 688 Los Angeles class submarine. And one of the biggest differences here is just how much stuff there is on the hull. Now, I'm sure this all serves a purpose, and I'm not a submarine expert in the most broadest sense of the term, so I'm not going to begin to tell you what all these things are, but I would imagine that they all have something to do with probably like the upgraded sensors and things like that the ship has. And overall, the detail is actually quite nice on this. It's really crisp. The engraving, probably slightly on the shallow side, but nevertheless, you can still see it there. But all the raised detail is pretty nice. There are some parting lines here where they did some like multi-part molding on the lower hull, so you'll have to worry about those mold lines. And because of the nature of all the detail on the hull, it will make like sanding and filling the two halves a little difficult. So caution will need to be there. The remaining sprue has all the remaining details. You get the screw, which sits within a housing, and I guess technically it's like a propulsor, I think is the name for it. You have the sail, which additionally has a lot of detail on it. You have the housing that goes around the propulsor. You have all the dive planes and all the various things, antenna and periscopes for the sail. So it's, like I said, it's a fairly simple kit, very little part count. It does come with a very simple display base. It's basically the same display base you get with the 688 boats as well, so nothing really to, write home about. Simple decal sheet with basic markings, and then finally you get a small photo etch fret that comes with a little plaque, and then photo etch parts for the sail. And that's about it. We'll go ahead and take a look at the instructions, take a look through those. So you do have a parts breakdown, again, which is not very much. And then construction begins obviously with the hull halves and the sail going together. You can do, on this one, you only have the option of having all of the masts and periscopes in the raised position, as opposed to having them all like lowered and a clean looking sail. So just be aware. And then you get the dive planes, the propulsor, all the various bits going on, and that's it. That's, kit complete. You do get a paint and markings guide here. This is a very modern, boring paint scheme. It's just black over dark gray, and that's it. Very little color other than the white decals, but there you go. So yeah, for Hobby Boss's take on this modern submarine, it looks pretty on par with everything else that they've done, and I expect it to go together just as well. Like I said, a little bit of issue with trying to work out the seam line around the raised detail, but always up for a good challenge. So thanks for watching. Thanks to the patrons for supporting the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Bye everyone.